Miro, where is your cap?
Where is it?
Where did you put it?
I put it on the chair yesterday. Right here. Did you move it, Hebby?
I did not touch your cap, Miro.
But you cleaned the house yesterday.
You always move my things when you clean.
Good morning, Miro. The garden looks beautiful today.
Good morning, Hebby. Yes, the sun is very warm.
I love taking care of my flowers in the morning.
And I love cleaning the garden. It is good exercise.
Miro, where is your cap?
My cap? What do you mean?
Your head. You are not wearing your cap.
What? My old gray cap. Where is it?
I do not know. Where did you put it?
I put it on the chair yesterday. Right here.
Well, it is not here now.
Someone moved it. Did you move it, Hebby?
I did not touch your cap, Miro.
But you cleaned the house yesterday.
Yes, I cleaned the house. But I did not move your cap.
You always move my things when you clean.
That is not true. I put everything back.
My newspaper was on the sofa. You moved it to the table.
That is different. The table is a better place for it.
Maybe the wind took my cap.
The wind? There was no wind yesterday, Miro.
There is always wind in the garden.
The wind did not steal your cap.
Then where is it? I need my cap.
Okay, let us think. What did you do yesterday?
I woke up early. I had my coffee.
And then? What did you do after coffee?
I walked to the garden. I wore my cap.
Good. You walked to the garden with your cap.
I watered the plants. The sun was very hot.
Did you take your cap off?
No, I kept it on my head.
Are you sure? You always forget things.
My memory is very good, Hebby.
You forgot your glasses on your head last week.
That was different. Glasses are small.
A cap is not small, Miro.
Okay. After the garden, I sat on the bench.
The bench near the lemon tree?
Yes, I rested there. I was very tired.
Let us check the bench.
Hmm? I already looked. It is not there.
You looked under the bench?
I looked under it and behind it. Nothing.
What did you do after the bench?
I went to the kitchen. I drank some water.
Did you check the kitchen?
I checked everywhere. The table, the chairs, the counter.
Did you look in the hallway?
I looked in the hallway and the bedroom.
What about the bathroom?
Why would my cap be in the bathroom?
Because you put your glasses in the fridge last month.
That only happened one time.
2 times, my dear.
Fine. I checked the bathroom too. No cap.
This is a real mystery.
I told you. Someone took it.
Miro, nobody took your cap. We live alone.
We do not live alone. We live with Godzilla.
Godzilla?
Huh?
She is a tiny dog, Miro.
She takes my slippers every morning.
That is true. She does take your slippers.
And she took my sock last Tuesday.
Your sock? I did not know that.
I found it under her blanket.
That is interesting. Where is Godzilla now?
She is in her doghouse. She has been there all morning.
All morning? That is strange.
You are right. She usually follows me everywhere.
Maybe she is hiding something.
Hiding something? She is a dog, Hebby.
A very clever dog, Miro.
Let us go check her doghouse.
Godzilla? Come here, girl.
She does not want to come out.
Look at her eyes. She looks guilty.
Let me look inside.
What do you see?
Hebby! Hoo, hoo, ha, 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 ha. Come here. Look at this.
What is it?
Mhm.
Did you find your cap?
Yes, she is sleeping on it.
Oh, Miro, look at her.
She used my cap as a pillow.
She loves your cap because it smells like you.
It smells like me?
Yes. Dogs love the smell of their favorite person.
I am her favorite person?
Of course you are. Of course you are. She always sleeps near you.
But she took my cap. I was so worried.
She did not steal it. She just wanted to be close to you.
How can I be angry at this face?
You cannot. Nobody can.
Come here, little girl. I am not angry.
Look, she is bringing your cap to you.
She dropped it at my feet. Good girl, Godzilla.
She is saying sorry. Look at her tail.
I know. She is a good dog.
The best dog. Even if she is a little thief.
A very cute little thief.
Let me clean the cap for you.
No, leave it. It is fine like this.
But it has dog hair on it.
I do not care. Godzilla slept on it. It is special now.
You are so sweet sometimes, Miro.
Do not tell anyone. It is our secret.
I will not tell anyone. I promise.
I am tired from all this searching.
Sit on the garden chair and rest.
Good idea. Come here, Godzilla. Sit with me.
Look at her. She jumped on your lap already.
She is sleeping on my cap again.
These two are exactly the same. Both stubborn. Both lazy. Both adorable.
Hebby, can you bring me some water?
Of course, my dear. Close your eyes and rest.
I love you, Hebby.
I love you too, Miro. Now rest.
Together. That is the best way.